Hi and welcome, I am here today with Xiaomi Mi 9 SE and I'll be showing you how to get an iOS volume panel. First, you have to go to the Google Play Store and from there search for volume styles. Install the first application that shows up. Okay, now open the application. Tap on Start. Tap on Accessibility Service. Go to More Downloaded Services, tap on Volume Styles and turn on the accessibility. Go down and tap on Allow. Now let's go back. And now the application is working. Now let's go back. Let's scroll down actually. And as you can see, here is the iOS volume panel theme. Tap on it. And now if we try to change the volume levels, as you can see, we get this iOS volume panel on our device. Now let's try with some other themes, for example Wave, which has a simple animation which we can adjust. Let's go with MIUI, pretty simple of course. We got Color OS 6, yep, pretty straightforward. We even have Windows 10 volume panel. And there are many other themes on this application which I highly recommend. I hope this video helped you. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, goodbye.